Yawning is more than just a sign of tiredness. It reveals fascinating insights about our social connections. Studies show that yawning is contagious and tied to our capacity for empathy. When you see someone yawn, your brain mirrors the action, triggering a similar response. This phenomenon suggests that yawning serves as a form of social bonding. Empathetic individuals are more likely to yawn in response to others, showcasing their ability to connect emotionally. This behavior may have evolutionary roots, promoting group vigilance and coordination. Next time you catch a yawn, remember, it's not just a reflex. It's a glimpse into your empathy and social awareness.